Dear students, in the last video we have seen the working of 4-stroke petrol engine and 4-stroke diesel engine. In this session we are going to see the working of 2-stroke petrol engine. 2-stroke engines are developed to obtain higher power output from a given engine size. 2-stroke engines are available for both diesel and petrol fuel. In the 2-stroke engine, inlet and outlet valves are replaced by inlet and outlet ports. This is inlet port and this is outlet port. Inlet and outlet port are holes which are situated at the cylinder wall. They are controlled by the movement of the piston. There is also a third port known as transfer port, which is situated inside the cylinder and connect the crankcase to the cylinder. So this is the transfer port which connects at the one end with the cylinder and another end with the crankcase. In the 2-stroke engine, all the four processes suction, compression, expansion and exhaust are performed during the two engine stroke or in one time piston movement. Okay, let us see the working of 2-stroke petrol engine. In a 2-stroke petrol engine, a spark plug is bolted into the cylinder head. In this engine, all the processes which are required to run an engine are performed in two engine stroke. So first one is upward stroke. So this is the upward stroke. In the upward stroke, piston moves from bottom dead center. This is the bottom dead center. From bottom dead center to top dead center and compress the air fuel mixture from the carburetor, which is drawn into the cylinder during the downward stroke. When the piston moves upward, the inlet port open and the fresh air fuel mixture enters into the crank chamber. So when the piston moves from bottom dead center to top dead center, this port will get opened and the fresh fuel and air mixture enters into the crankcase chamber. When the piston is nearer to the top dead center, this spark plug generates a spark and ignites the compressed air fuel mixture. So this is the upward stroke. So the next stroke is downward stroke. So at the end of the upward stroke, spark plug ignites the air fuel mixture, which generates a high temperature and high pressure inside the cylinder. This high pressure forces exert this high pressure force exerts a thrust on the piston, so that the piston starts moving from TDC to BDC, that is top dead center to bottom dead center. When the piston moves downwards, it compresses the air fuel mixture in the crank chamber or crankcase. So near the end of the stroke, exhaust port will get opened. So exhaust port near that exhaust present in the cylinder will starts to escape from the cylinder through this outlet port or exhaust port. At the same time, the transfer port also gets opened. So the compressed charge already filled inside the crankcase chamber starts to move from crankcase to the cylinder. So there is a deflector or crown placed on the piston. So this deflector immediately deflect upward and do not allow mixing of air fuel mixture with the exhaust gases. So it may be noted that air fuel mixture helps to removal of exhaust gases from the engine cylinder. The piston again starts moving upward and compress the charge. This process runs until the engine runs. So this is the working of 2-stroke petrol engine. In this 2-stroke petrol engine, we have to note the position of piston, and due to the position of the piston, which port gets open and which port gets closed during upward stroke and downward stroke. So this is the most important thing we have to keep in our mind. So this question will be asked in most probably this question will be asked in 13 marks. Sometimes it will be asked in 8 marks. So drawings must prepare well. Thank you.